Dog Roses, the flower essence. It's an Australian bush flower essence that is about, well, I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively dissolve my fear and insecurity, my apprehension with others, into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively take on new challenges with confidence and express myself freely with others, enjoying their companionship. Okay. Okay, Rachel. I'll talk to you soon via email, and thank you so much. Hope you have a fabulous day.